Hi, my name's Megan, and I'm a physical therapy assistant at TriStar Centennial, and I'm going to demonstrate how to safely get in and out of a car, perform steps, and walk with your walker, and set your walker height after your surgery to help you be as safe and successful as possible afterwards. When getting into a car safely after a knee or hip surgery, your first goal is to sit down, then get your legs in. Slowly back up to the passenger side of the vehicle. Once you feel the vehicle on the backs of your legs, then you can attempt to sit down. To sit down safely, put your weight on your non-surgical leg. Kick your surgical leg out to protect it. Reach back to the seat to hold on to something stable before you sit down. Next, slowly get your legs into the vehicle. Lean back and support your surgical leg as needed. It is okay to ask your helper to gently assist your legs into the vehicle. To exit the vehicle safely, slowly reverse the process. Put your weight on your surgical leg to stand up and push up from behind. Always stand up slowly, look ahead, and give yourself time to adjust before walking. Step first with your surgical leg when walking. Make sure you follow your specific precautions to enter and exit the vehicle if you have any. When performing stairs, don't be too tired. Approach the stairs slowly. Perform one step at a time. Step up first with your non-surgical leg. Use the opposite strategy to descend. Step down first with a surgical leg. Make sure your helper has your rolling walker waiting at the bottom. Do not push the walker too far in front of you. Try to stand inside of the safety gate with your hips in line with the back prongs. Stand tall with good posture. Walk as naturally as you're able. Do not pick up the rolling walker. Instead, roll it gently along the ground.